In this video, we'll walk through the process of creating bundle SKUs. The bundle feature allows you to create product bundles without physically bundling inventory together. This provides greater inventory flexibility while supporting sales and promotional activities. You can create bundles either manually or through a batch upload process if you need to create multiple bundles at once. To create a bundle SKU manually, navigate to the Bundle SKU section and select Manually Create. Enter the required bundle information, then select the individual SKUs and specify the quantity of each SKU to be included in the bundle. Once complete, click Save. The bundle SKU will be created immediately, and the available inventory will be automatically calculated based on the inventory levels of the component SKUs. To create multiple bundle SKUs, select Batch Upload and download the latest template. Before completing the template, take a few minutes to review the field definitions. This will help you understand the required fields and ensure the file is completed correctly. Enter the required information for each bundle SKU, along with the component SKUs and their corresponding quantities. Once the template is complete, save the file and upload it to the system to finalize the SKU creation process. The bundle SKUs will be created immediately, and the available inventory for each bundle will be automatically calculated and reflected in the system.